Most broke people aren't broke from low income. They're broke because they ignore money-saving habits, habits that could save them thousands yearly. And here's the shocking part about it. These habits are simple and often free, but most people laugh them off daily. They think it's too small to matter. Let me ask you something real quick. If I gave you $5 daily, would you toss it in the trash? Probably not. But that's what people do every day, wasting small amounts that quickly add up. Today I'll show you frugal habits that broke people ignore, but the rich follow. These habits can flip your finances fast. So stick around to the end. One of these habits could change everything. What frugal really means. Let's bust a common money myth first. Frugal doesn't mean cheap or stingy living. Frugal people focus on value, not price. For example, a $100 shoe lasting years beats $20 shoes replaced every 3 months. Frugality is smart, intentional money decisions, and broke people often ignore that strategy. Habit number 1, tracking every single penny. This habit sounds boring, but it's powerful. Frugal people track every dollar they spend. Broke people often swipe and forget it. No clue how much goes to coffee, or takeout, streaming, or random online shopping. Here's a quick relatable example. A $4 coffee 5 times a week. That's $20 a week, $1,040 yearly. That's just coffee, not even including snacks. Tracking your money exposes the silent leaks. Use apps like Mint or simple spreadsheets. Know your numbers, then fix the gaps. Habit number 2, buying secondhand. First, frugal people always ask this key question: can I get this cheaper or used? Broke people chase the latest and greatest items. Brand new iPhone, over $1,200 easily. 1-year-old same model, maybe $700 used. That's a $500 difference for same performance. Frugal people shop smart on Facebook Marketplace. Thrift stores and eBay are hidden gold mines. They're not ashamed to buy secondhand stuff because they know financial freedom is better than fake status or flashy Instagram appearances. Habit number 3, cooking at home. More often, eating out sounds harmless until it's constant. A $10 fast food meal daily adds up to $50 a week. That's over $2,600 in 1 year. Frugal people meal prep in advance weekly. They cook in bulk, plan meals smartly. They use simple ingredients to eat better. Not good at cooking? No problem at all. YouTube has thousands of $5 meal tutorials. Learn basic recipes. Save hundreds every month. Habit number 4, saying no without guilt. Frugal people know how to set boundaries. They're not afraid to say not today. Broke people spend to please their friends. They attend every outing, every weekend event. It adds up quickly. Gas, food, drinks. Frugal people prioritize peace over peer pressure. They choose long-term gain over short-term fun. Saying no is a frugal superpower. Habit number 5, delaying gratification always pays off. The 24-hour rule is a game changer. Frugal people pause before every impulse buy. They wait a day, rethink the need. Most times they don't buy it anymore. Broke people buy emotionally, not logically. They chase sales instead of questioning them. Frugal people ask, do I need this? They don't let feelings control their wallets. Habit number 6, avoiding debt like the plague. Frugal people avoid debt like it's poison. Credit cards, buy now pay later schemes, all trap broke people in endless interest. A $500 item becomes $700 over time. Debt steals your future income silently daily. Frugal people save first, spend later, always. They don't buy what they can't afford. Example: a $2,000 laptop with 20% APR could cost $2,400 with interest easily. Frugal living means avoiding debt traps entirely. Mindset shift: scarcity versus strategy. Broke people live with a scarcity mindset. They think small savings don't matter enough. Frugal people live with a strategy mindset. They know money builds from small wins. Saving $3 daily becomes $1,000 annually. It's not about one big decision. It's about consistent daily smart decisions. That's how frugal people build wealth. Call to action: power packed. Ending now, ask yourself, which habit are you ignoring? Because wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you handle your money. Start tracking. Cook more. Delay wants. Buy secondhand. Avoid debt. Say no when needed. These small habits will change your life. If this helped, like and subscribe now. Share this video with someone overspending today. Your financial freedom starts with smart, frugal habits. Don't wait till you're broke to start. Start today. Your future self will thank you.